Hello everyone. Fine. So the question I asked you all, like, I want to know what exactly draws you towards tarot card or any occult sciences for that matter. I just want to, can we have some sharings, please? Quickly, what is your reason? I love to know the reason behind hidden thoughts, and that's nice. All right. So, okay. So, this is the reason which draws you towards occult sciences, right? Okay. So, Sneha is more towards, to know how to read tarot cards. But why? I see the crux of the question is why are you getting drawn to tarot cards or why are you getting drawn to occult sciences? So Pujashri, I would like to know that answer. Sneha, I just loved your answer. I love to know the reason behind hidden thoughts and knowledge. That's amazing. So basically, Sneha, you want to decode secrets of the universe, right? This is what I understand. Lovely answer. Amazing. So Pooja Shri, I'm waiting for your answer. Fine. I think Deepak is sharing. I want to know how to read tarot. I want to have success in that's wonderful, Deepak. That's for sure. But I want to know why are you getting drawn to tarot card and why occult sciences? Why not psychology or why not any other field? But why occult sciences? Hidden reason in tarot cards. All right. Okay. I'm a science student and no relation between science and astrology. Amazing. I love this answer. All right. Naina, amazing. I just loved your answer. Okay, so we're going to talk about science as well. Fine. Amazing. Oh, okay. So now, thank you so much for sharing, your perspectives, your answers. And just one more question I would like to ask you that, so what is the real purpose? So, man ke chalo, if you have you availed any type of reading in your life? Have you approached any tarot card readers in life, or have you approached any other occult sciences practitioners in life, such as palmistry, astrology? कभी आपने खुद का reading किया है? Okay, fine. Yes. So now I want to know what is the real purpose or intention of approaching any occult science practitioner. So put yourself in a customer or a client's shoes and just imagine why a client needs these kind of a services. What is the real purpose? So Sneha has answered yes, Pujashri yes, Naina yes. So since you have availed these services, success. Okay, fine, Prerna. But what is the reason to approach? To troubleshoot my troubles. Yeah, that's the right answer, Deepak. Right. So whenever you face any problem, you thought of approaching occult sciences. But मुझे आपसे question पूछना है. Okay, so this webinar will be conducted in a very simple English and Hindi. It's a combination of Hindi and English, all right. Sometimes to clarify and know ourselves better, that's a wonderful answer, Naina. To know what's happening, why it is happening, and how to eradicate those problems. Fantastic. To troubleshoot my troubles. Fantastic answers. I'm just loving your answers. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Right. Okay. So now, and is there any other reason कि उसके वजह से आप occult science practitioners को approach करते हैं? What is the other reason? So yes, you have challenges and you want to overcome it, right? So that is the reason you approach occult science practitioner. Is there any other reason? Think. That's wonderful. Your answers are absolutely right. I'm just, searching for one more correct answer. And also to know how to earn from it. Uh, nay. So my question is, for example, you have trouble, and that is the reason you have to sometimes curiosity. Yes, curiosity. Yes, that's the right answer. Fine, fine. Chalo. So now let's move on. I'm very happy with the sharings which is happening right now. So basically, I would like to emphasize on this point. There are only two reasons why you seek help from any occult science practitioners. Reason one is you have a challenges, right? And you want to overcome it, right? So first of all, जैसे हम लोग को we all have challenges, right? So why don't you just talk to your friends? And why do you want to? Why do you approach occult sciences? Because you are seeking information how to overcome these challenges. You all agree? Yes, no? Quickly, yes, no, yes, no. This is going to be very, very interactive session. Okay? Correct. Fine. And the second reason in you have a goals. We all have goals, dreams, wishes, bucket list hota hai sabka, right? So we all have goals, dreams, wishes, and everything, and we want to fulfill it, right? You agree? करेक्ट एंड वी वांट टू नो कि सच में वो पॉसिबल है या नहीं है. right? For example, I'm at point A and I want to reach to point, say, M. How should I reach there, right? Okay, for example, I have just 100 rupees. I want to, create 100 crores in my life. This is what my goal is. Then how should I achieve it? Am I right? Correct? So there are only two reasons, uh, okay, to overcome challenges and to achieve goals. Fine. Chalo. So now, keeping this perspective in your mind, okay, now सब लोग ने हाँ हाँ yes yes true true answer दिया है. Now, keeping this perspective in your mind, that we approach occult sciences practitioner to overcome our challenges and achieve our goals. Now, keeping this perspective in your mind, now tell me how tarot or occult sciences will help you. Are you clear about the question? Keeping this perspective in your mind, now tell me how tarot card reading or any occult sciences readings, modalities, how it is going to help you. Guidance, yes, true. Okay, you'll get guidance. Okay, what else? Right answer, absolutely right answer. What else do we get? All right. थिंक अबाउट इट. सो मान के चलो आपने कभी रीडिंग आपका खुद का किया है, तो क्या बताया है आपको रीडर्स ने? आपका पास्ट के बारे में बताया है? What, how was your experience? I think many people have answered that yes, we have already availed, these kind of a services. So when you approached, I don't know what is tarot card reading, I want to learn from. That's okay, that's okay. So मान के चलो, so Deepak, you even if you don't know about tarot cards, it's okay. I'm going to teach you in this session today. But I'm sure you must have approached any other occult science practitioners. How was your experience? Okay. So my question is, keeping this perspective in your mind, that why do we approach? Because we want to overcome challenges and because we want to achieve our goals. Keeping this perspective in your mind, how occult science reading or any tarot card reading will help you? All right, ठीक है. So now let's move on. Okay, so guidance is the right answer, definitely. So now let's understand what happens in a reading. Okay, so now आपने आपके life में ओला उबर कभी book किया है, right? So for example, I'm here right now. I want to reach to a different city or a different place, and मैंने ओला book किया है, right? Fine. So when I book Ola or taxi using app, I can actually see, okay, that taxi is here. Okay. Okay, I'm here in Mumbai, for example, at place A, and I want to reach to place B. And when I book Ola or cab, I can see the Ola is somewhere. Okay, fine. Now, using the app, I can see that, okay, now it is taking right turn, now it is taking a left turn, now it is stuck in the traffic jam. Oh, it will take another, वहाँ पर traffic है, so it will take another 15 minutes to reach to me, right? Are you all with me? Yes, simple example. Are you able to relate to this example? So now I have booked Ola. So this is just, so any occult sciences, जो भी reading मिलता है using any occult sciences, it is just like taking status. Why do we need app? We need to know the status. Okay. Okay. Ola hasn't arrived at my doorstep yet. It is my future. You understand? And you all understand, future is not fixed. So now app में दिखा रहा है Ola is 5 minutes, it will take 5 minutes to reach, but suddenly something happens, okay, and and what if your cab is stuck in the traffic jam? It will show, okay, it may take another 10 minutes. You all agree with me, right? So reading offered by tarot card using any occult science modality, be it astrology, palmistry, numerology, टैरो कार्ड रीडिंग, जो भी आप रीडर के पास जाते हो, तो रीडर क्या करता है? आपके पास्ट के बारे में बताते हैं. शायद ये हुआ था आपके लाइफ में, राइट? फाइन. ओके, अभी ये हो रहा है आपके लाइफ में, यू अग्री? और शायद ये हो सकता है आपके लाइफ में. इट इज जस्ट एज यूजिंग ऐप. ओके, एंड I'm just checking the status कि कहाँ पर है. Do I have do I have a role to play here? I'm just aware, and the app is updating me all the statuses. You all agree? Are you able to relate with? Yes, no, quick, so that I will understand, Thank you so much, Prerna. Thank you so much. Correct. Fine. So any reading, when you approach any tarot card reader or occult sciences practitioner, this reading is just about taking status from the energies. Fine. Now let's just take an example. Okay, imagine a person. Okay, imagine a person who has lost his job. Okay, who has a family responsibilities and who is struggling to manifest or struggling to get a new job. Okay, and he's very frustrated. Stress levels are quite high. He's in desperate need to get a job, and he approaches any occult sciences practitioner, be it tarot ho, numerology, jo bhi ho. Currently, I'm just talking in general. We are going to talk in detail about tarot. Okay, so don't worry. So currently, first just now try to correlate this Ola app or online taxi booking app where you can get the status to this particular example. Okay, so now this person approaches any reader, and that reader जो भी modality use करते हैं, numerology हो, palmistry हो, उन्होंने बोला कि sir, I don't think so. So what I understand from your energies is that suddenly something happened in your company, and you had a big fight and you were thrown out of the company, and that person is impressed. Wow, yes, 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 correct. आपको कैसे पता चला? सच में मेरे साथ ये हुआ है. Yes, of course, being the occult science practitioners, we can read the energies, right? Fine. So now again, so now उन्होंने past तो बराबर बताया, प्रेजेंट भी बराबर बताया कि नाउ यू आर वेरी मच स्ट्रेस्ड, इतना स्ट्रेस हो कि रात यू आर नॉट एबल टू स्लीप पीसफुली एट नाइट. ओके, and it is affecting your physical health and so much. Again, that person is impressed. Wow, yes, present to बहुत अच्छा बताया. So now coming to the future, and that occult science practitioners, tells that client, I've checked your energies, I've checked your future. So I don't think so that you will get job in coming 8 to 10 months. Now tell me, what would be, just put yourself in that person's shoes and imagine what would be your reaction. What would be your reaction? Just imagine I'm that occult science practitioner, and you are the one who's asking me these kind of this question, and I'm giving you this answer. It will take another 8 to 10 months. How will you feel? Just quickly sharing 1 or 2 words. Can we have sharings, please? Interactive session, guys. Yes, come on. How would how just put yourself in that person's shoes and think how that person will feel. Yes, Shalu, Deepak, come on, Prerna, Naina, Sneha, come on. Any answers? Any sharing?
So you can put yourself in their shoes exactly and just imagine what
Very
that
tense. Feel
situation will
good.
be.
Feel good, Sneha. Fine, ठीक है. Very tense. So Deepak, you are right. So imagine, Sneha, imagine a person, okay, who has EMIs to pay, who's got a financial responsibility. Suddenly, yeah, exactly. Very stressful, right? Fine. Yes. Now you're understanding. So now let me kind of satisfied but disappointed. Yes, satisfied because and then I'm just loving your answers. Why he would feel satisfied and why he would not feel, disappointed. All right. So next question would be: so will knowing status help you overcome the problem? Going back to our basics, you all said right. Why do we approach any occult science practitioner? Because we want to overcome our problems, the challenges that we have. Exactly. Exactly. You're right, Sneha. Absolutely right, Sneha. Absolutely right, Naina. So he will feel कि चलो कभी ना कभी तो होगा, after 8 months के 10 month के बाद में होगा. But because he got the job but not soon, exactly he'll get disappointed because अगर मान के चलो 8 to 10 months के बाद में, तो how do I pay my EMIs? Okay. So it is not easy, right? So currently, we're just discussing a very hypothetical situation, but but imagine you really put yourself into that person's shoes. It's not easy to accept, right? You all agree? So the next question would be: will knowing status help you overcome the problem? Just so the reading जो भी उसको मिला है, as just we discussed a couple of seconds ago, so offering reading is just like a reading the status, past ka status, present ka status, future ka possibilities. Okay, so will just knowing status help you overcome the problem? Yes, no? Quick answer. Exactly. Correct. It will not. So what happens? Okay, so now again, let me just give you a very simple example. So just let me ask you this question. What happens when there is a discomfort in your body, or there is a disease in your body? What happens? How do you come to know? So I'm just trying to explain you the point in a very, using a very simple example. So what happens, guys? Come on, it's an interactive session. Correct. There are symptoms. Okay, so body will show some symptoms. Okay, it will be cough, fever, jo bhi hai. Whatever the fever, cold, whatever the headache, any signs and symptoms body will show. And what will you do? Obviously, you will visit doctor. Okay, and what doctor does? Again, he will study the symptoms of, okay, whatever symptoms that you're showing. It could be headache, nausea, vomiting. All right, fine. So what is the doctor role? To study the symptoms. Are you all with me? Are you all with me? Just keep typing yes or no, understanding, not understanding. ओके फाइन फाइन सो नाउ मान के चलो अगर आपको कुछ योर बॉडी इज शोइंग कांस्टेंट फीवर एंड सम साइंस सिम्टम्स एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड डॉक्टर ने आपको बोला ओके ऑल दीज सिम्टम्स आर इंडिकेटिंग टू फर्स्ट स्टेज ऑफ कैंसर. व्हाट वुड बी योर रिएक्शन? व्हाट वुड बी योर रिएक्शन? विल यू जस्ट एक्सेप्ट हाँ ठीक है ओके? Yeah, so doctor has a knowledge, right? Doctors can study your lab report, your symptoms and everything, status of your health. Exactly, you would be tense and anxious, right? So you will just not accept it, accept in the sense. So no, after knowing this from doctor, what will be your next questions? What questions will you ask to your doctor? What will you ask? या सो डॉक्टर ने उनका रोल एकदम सही किया है. आपका लैब रिपोर्ट सही तरह करेक्ट हाउ टू ओवरकम इट. या सो दैट इज एग्जैक्टली द पॉइंट आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक. सो यू विल सर्टनली आस्क दीज टू क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन 1, व्हाट वेंट रॉन्ग? विल यू नॉट आस्क कि क्या हुआ, मैंने कुछ गलत किया क्या? व्हाट इज द कॉज? क्यों हुआ कैंसर? विल यू नॉट आस्क दीज क्वेश्चंस? एंड द सेकंड क्वेश्चन, इज इट क्यूरेबल? What can I do to come out of it? Okay, right? So definitely you are going to ask these two important questions. Okay, so now the point I'm trying to make is, and I really want you all to understand it and let it sink in your system, doctors studying and analyzing lab reports or symptoms, it is just similar to offering readings. Be it palmistry, be it numerology, be it astrology, be it tarot cards, vastu, pendulum, you take any example of any occult science modalities. Are you all with me? For example, आपके हाथों की ये जो करियर की रेखा है उसमें थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है, तो शायद ये हो सकता है, एंड दैट इज द रीजन यू आर सफरिंग, राइट? ये जो मनी लाइन में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है ही, इसके वजह से ये हुआ है. For example, if I have a money related issues and I have approached any occult science practitioner, so definitely हाँ money line में problem है ही ना, तो ये होगा ही आपको, right? अगर न्यूमरोलॉजी को अप्रोच किया, हाँ आपका पिनाकल साइकिल 8 है, तो 8 नंबर से कभी कभी होता है फिनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स, तो होता ही है, राइट? फाइन. सो एस्ट्रोलॉजी को अप्रोच किया, हाँ आपका कुछ तो 7.5 ही चल रहा है, या यू आर सम जो भी आपका कुंडली है, जो ग्रह का पोजीशन है एंड एवरीथिंग, उसके वजह से यू हैव अट्रैक्टेड इट, या वॉट एवर इट इज, इसके वजह से तो ये होना ही है. टैरो कार्ड रीडिंग, कुछ ना कुछ 5 ऑफ स्वॉर्ड्स का कार्ड है कि जहां पर किसी ने चीट किया है, या वॉट एवर इट इज, दैट इज द रीजन ये आपके साथ हो रहा है, राइट? सो आर यू ऑल विथ मी व्हेन आई एम सेइंग दिस कि डॉक्टर्स, जैसे डॉक्टर स्टडी करते हैं, अच्छा ओके आपका बीपी इतना है, आपका फीवर ये है, आपको 3 महीने से ये हो रहा है, सो इट इज इंडिकेटिंग XYZ प्रॉब्लम. आर यू ऑल विथ मी? Are you all with me? Yes or no? So doctor studying and analyzing lab report or symptoms is just similar to offering readings using any occult sciences. Yes, this is very, very important point, and this is very, very important perspective that I really want you all to have it. Okay. And now let's go back to the basic. Let's go back to the basic. Okay. Why do we approach any occult science practitioner? Just by knowing status कि okay cancer first stage में है. Fine. Just by knowing this status will not help us to overcome it. You all agree? So there are these three key aspects on which doctor help us. First is doctors can study symptoms and lab reports, whatever it is. Doctors can throw light on why it happened, and doctors can suggest us right treatment and solutions. You all agree? You all agree with me? Yes? Are you understanding? Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Naina. Yeah, Deepak, Sneha, come on. Who else? Shalu, Prerna, come on, come on. Fine. So when you receive, all right, okay. So when you receive reading from tarot card reader or any occult science practitioners, you will get to know status of your situation. Correct? What would be your next questions? जैसे मैंने बोला कि ठीक है मेरा कुंडली में ये ग्रह है इसकी वजह से प्रॉब्लम होना ही है मनी रिलेटेड, या हाथों में ये जो करियर की रेखा है उसमें ये प्रॉब्लम होने ही वाला है. सो नाउ लेट्स कंटिन्यू आवर प्रीवियस एग्जांपल कि जॉब. ओके, सडनली ही लॉस्ट जॉब्स, ही सडनली लॉस्ट हिज जॉब. ओके, so definitely is going to ask, why would I get job after only 8 or 10 months? Why not now? Okay, what can I do to manifest it early? Okay, I'm in really need of a job. Okay, I have got responsibilities, and what should I do now? How should I handle my current stress? All right, so don't you think so? These questions are valid. Are these questions valid? Yes, valid questions, right? So now tell me, occult science practitioners, most of the occult science practitioners, they have in-depth knowledge about their modality. But this modality is just like an Ola app or taxi booking app, which can give you insights into past, present, and future possibilities. But now my question is, just by knowing these statuses, okay, can we guide client? Can we answer these questions to client? Yes, no? What are your perspective? How limited? Yes, Prerna, correct. So because clients are going to ask you, for example, tomorrow, even if you are doing reading for yourself or you're doing readings for clients, definitely, मान के चलो आपने खुद का reading किया है, and you reading तो आया बराबर, पर लेकिन you will still have some questions unanswered, like why am I going through these challenges, or how do I achieve what I want to achieve? You all agree? These are very, very important questions. Yes, and that is exactly where readers go blank. Okay, so solution is not about memorizing the cards or of course in-depth knowledge about occult science वो होना ही चाहिए, but solution is not about memorizing the cards or memorizing standard solutions, but solution is all about having deeper understanding about life, how life works, how universe works. Okay, your ability to decode client situation, your ability to ask right questions to the cards, that will have a very, very significant impact on the readings that you're going to offer. Are you all with me? Are you all with me till here? Yes, no? All right. Are you all understanding the point that I'm trying to make? Thank you, Prerna. Thank you, Naina. Deepak, are you there? Sneha, thank you so much. Yes, fine. So now, just look at this image, okay? So the readings that we offer, past, present, future, ho, jo bhi hai, the readings that we offer, or the standard solutions, jo bhi standard, what are the standard solutions? Are you aware? General solutions kya dete hai healers or occult science practitioners? Remedies, yes. What are those remedies? They're called remedies, yes. Sneha, can you share any example of remedy? Bracelets, yes. Crystals, perfect. You're right. Reiki healing, yes. Fine. Amazing, amazing. I'm just loving your answers. Any standard solutions that you come across? Affirmations? Have you heard about affirmations? Yeah. Have you heard about rituals? Yes, no? Correct. Prayer, yes, absolutely. Absolutely. So the rituals, yes. So the point I'm trying to make is that reading affirmation, yes, जो भी आपको पता है, general occult science readings, okay, and standard solutions that we offer, we or most of the occult science practitioners offer are just a tip of an iceberg. Imagine. So you know this concept, iceberg, how huge it is? Yes, you know about iceberg. Yes or no? Quick, quick, quick. I want this to be a very interactive session. Yes, correct. So tip of an iceberg is hardly what, 10%. The 90% portion of iceberg lies beneath the water. And now tell me, if you do not have an in-depth knowledge of what lies beneath the water, what will happen? Correct? Titanic. You remember? कैसे हुआ था? फाइन सो यूजुअली जो सॉल्यूशंस हम लोग ऑफर करते हैं इट रिक्वायर्स इन डेप्थ अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट एनर्जी साइंस एंड स्पिरिचुअल लॉज व्हाई डू वी नीड knowledge about energy science? Because we have to offer solutions, right? Correct. And why do we need understanding about spiritual laws? Because it will help us to decode the situation, and it will help us to help clients in a better manner. Even if you're doing readings for yourself, not for clients, for your family members, for yourself, you will be able to decode your own life situation in a much better manner. Are you all with me? Are you all with me till here? Okay, fine. Chalo. Thank you so much. So now, the ideal scenario is that whatever readings occult science practitioners should offer, okay, it should be 360-degree insight. Okay, it will be reading definitely jo bhi hai tarot card. Today I'm going to talk about tarot cards. So definitely perfect reading hona chahiye. Then definitely client ka situation samajhna chahiye, right? Then spiritual aspects. How will you be able to decode if you have an understanding of spiritual knowledge? Okay. So that's the one aspect. Okay. And so reading is the first aspect. Second aspect is decoding client situation. And third aspect is offering solutions. All right. And you will understand why it is important. So just stay with me. Okay. So we're going to discuss lots of examples today. So, okay. So now, yeah. So as some of you already mentioned, so what are the generic or standard solutions? Let me just now throw some light on solutions aspect. Okay. So people, do perform puja, perform certain rituals, chant mantras, practice affirmation, donate some money, or, donate food and so on. Have you ever come across such kind of solutions? Yeah? Yes or no? Sometimes. Okay, fine. Fine. So now, okay. Okay, fine. So now let's discuss why these generic solutions will not give you desired results. Okay. So for example, now just again, I would like to give a very simple example. सबका mood off होता है, सबके mood swings होते हैं. For example, if I'm feeling very sad today and suddenly मैंने कुछ comedy movie देखा and I started feeling good. Okay, so it shifted my energy. All right. Okay, so that watching comedy movie or watching comedy video worked for me in the present moment. Okay. Okay. But like just because it worked for me in the present moment, will it work for me all the time? Has it ever happened to you? Sometimes, कभी comedy movie देख के mood switch होता है, कभी दोस्तों से बात करके mood switch होता है, या कभी just, go and rest, have restful sleep, and then you're charged up. You all agree with me? Right? Yes or no? Come on. Has it happened to you? It's a very basic everyday routine ka example I'm, discussing. Yes, correct. So you all agree? Just because it worked for me right now, it doesn't mean it will work for me every time. Again, has it ever happened to you कि आपके friend ने कुछ आपको recommend किया है, just go and see this doctor. This doctor is amazing. मुझे बहुत अच्छा फर्क बहुत अच्छा मेरा healing हुआ है, and this doctor has given me amazing results, and the moment you visit and you don't find a doctor great, or and when you start taking treatment from that doctor, it doesn't give you result. Has it ever happened to you? Yeah. Yes. So I'm just taking general example. It could be anything, like any service. For example, कि किसी ने बोला कि यहाँ पर what head massage बहुत अच्छा होता है, and then you went, and when you happens, right, when you go there and you realize that इतना कुछ अच्छा नहीं है, right? So just because it worked for other doesn't mean it will work for you. Are you all with me? So that's exactly the situation with general solutions that we offer using occult science knowledge. Right? Are you all with me? Right? Generic solutions or the standard solutions. Yes, no, quickly. Okay, so do you agree there is no one size doesn't fit all? You agree with this? Yeah, हर एक का life situation अलग है, हर एक के problems अलग है. Even if two people having same problem. Yes, thank you, Shalu, thank you, Prerna. अगर मान के चलो, there are two people, they have a similar problem or a exact same problem, still the same solution or one solution will not work for them. You all agree? Right? So there is no common generic solution. Yes, thank you so much, Shalu. So now imagine when you become occult science practitioners, okay, and without deeper understanding of spiritual laws and energy science, what are you doing? You're actually opening this shop, one size fits for all store. Okay? And imagine your clients. Yes? Who all are your clients? Having a different requirement, having different backgrounds, having different shapes, sizes, right? You all agree? Are you able to relate with this image? Yes, no, quick. Right. So, and the point that I'm trying to make is, imagine if you keep offering same solution कि ठीक है, job नहीं है, चलो donate करो, या job नहीं है, कोई पूजा में मंदिर में जाओ, पूजा करो, job आपको मिल जाएगा. Same, कोई दूसरा client आपके पास आता है and she tells, I'm struggling with the relationship. Again, मंदिर में जाओ, पूजा करो. एक ही standard solution when you are offering, you are actually not adding value in their lives. You all agree? Yes, no, quick, then I'll move on. Okay, fine. So now let's take a real life case study. Okay. I often, yeah, so let's discuss this real life case study. So she was my client. Okay. When she came to me, she asked me that I want to know, when will I conceive? Okay. Am I destined to be mother or not? Okay. Why I had to go through fertility issues or miscarriages and IVF and so on? Why can't I conceive naturally just like other, friends or the family members जो है घर में women, they quickly they conceive, they are not struggling with these kind of issues. So can I conceive naturally? Is God punishing me? What did I do wrong? Okay. It has been a very traumatic experience. How do I manifest motherhood? Don't I deserve a child? I'm really stressed because my biological clock is ticking, and I really, I can't delay. If I have to plan child right now, but I've already been through miscarriages and IVFs and everything. So this is the real life case study, right? So now I want you to take a moment and I want you to tell me, what exactly she's seeking. Are you really understanding? Keeping in mind this perspective, what are really her needs? Are you able to, because this is very important. Because you are, see, why are you here? Because you want to become, empowered and spiritually conscious reader, not just any other tarot card reader. That is the reason you are here right now with me. Correct? Fine? Yeah, for herself. Correct. But what are her, see, although she has asked many questions, okay, what is her real emotional need here? Are you able to decode? Yes, can we have some sharings, please? You must have, these are the very common cases nowadays, right? Are you able to relate with this example? It's a real life case study. It's a real life situation of a client. Yes, thank you, Shalu. Thank you. So, are you able to understand? Need to know why me exactly? Correct. Very true, Verena. Why me? Okay. But can you answer that question using occult science? That's exactly what my point is. Okay, for example, you have cards. Okay, why me? And I'm just shuffling the card. Okay, ये reason है. ऐसे हो सकता है? No, right? Correct, correct. So what are her emotional needs? So let's, so I will just share, but I want you also to think, I want you also to actively participate. Or whoever is with me right now, I really want you to please, think and please actively participate. Okay. So now ये जो client कभी मेरे पास आई थी, तो I had an option. For example, there are two ways to do readings for such for in any matlab, whenever the client comes to you, there are always two types in which you can do reading. The scenario one, people ask you questions, whatever questions they ask, you blindly ask them to use, ask to your modality, and through using your modality knowledge, you can answer the questions, or you can become, you can really help them to resolve their problems. That's the scenario two. So let's understand. अगर मान के चलो scenario one, okay? So अगर मान के चलो उसने सब बताया है, पास्ट बताया है, प्रेजेंट बताया है, एंड सिनारियो वन में तो आई एम जस्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग ओके शी जस्ट वांट्स टू नो व्हेन विल शी बिकम मदर. दैट्स द क्वेश्चन. आर यू ऑल विथ मी? व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? यस. तो आई हैव एन ऑप्शन कि चलो ठीक है, मैंने सब आपका सुन लिया है, ठीक है, लेकिन आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है? ओके, द क्वेश्चन इज कि व्हेन विल आई बिकम मदर. फाइन, मैंने कार्ड्स चेक किया और मैंने उनको बोला आई डोंट सी एनी पॉसिबिलिटीज इन कमिंग 2 years. बिकॉज रीडिंग इज राइट, कार्ड्स विल नेवर लाई. मैंने तो बोल दिया 2 साल तो डेफिनेटली लगेंगे आपको. वॉट विल बी हर रिएक्शन? हाउ विल शी फील? Come on, stressed. Yes, yes. तो am I adding value to her? Yes, मैंने रीडिंग परफेक्ट किया है. कार्ड्स ने जो बोला, कार्ड्स में जो दिखाया, एंड आई हैव बेस्ट वे मैंने रीडिंग किया है. मैंने परफेक्ट टाइम, नो फर्दर डायरेक्शन. एग्जैक्टली. सो फाइन, यू आर वेरी राइट प्रेरणा. सो मैंने रीडिंग तो बराबर किया, और मैंने आई एम जस्ट ऑफरिंग सिंपथी. हाँ, ये होता है, I'm just like I'm giving examples of my friends, my family members. हाँ ठीक है, हो जाएगा. I'm offering sympathy. My intentions are not wrong. You understand? My intentions are not wrong. I am a good occult science practitioner. My intentions are not wrong. Okay, but the point is that my knowledge about my occult science modality is really good, so that is the reason I'm able to offer accurate reading. My intentions are not wrong. I'm offering sympathy. I'm being compassionate towards my client. कुछ भी मैं फ्रेंड का एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ, मैं कंसोल कर रही हूँ, सिंपथी दे रही हूँ, जनरल एग्जांपल उनको बोल रही हूँ. बट टेल मी, सिंपथी ही लेना है तो आपके पास क्यों आएगी? मेरे पास क्यों आएगी? फ्रेंड्स के साथ, फ्रेंड्स फैमिली मेंबर्स ज्यादा उनको सिंपथी देंगे, राइट? हैज शी कम टू मी ओनली टू गेन अ सिंपथी और जनरल पर्सपेक्टिव? हाँ, ये होता है आजकल. हाँ, मेरे इनके साथ भी हुआ था, मेरे बहन के साथ भी हुआ था. डोंट वरी, हैव फेथ, थिंक पॉजिटिव, सब अच्छा हो जाएगा. My intentions are not wrong. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Correct? But fine. So here, ठीक है, she got her answer, थोड़ा sympathy मिला, answer मिला. But what are you leaving your client with? What am I leaving my client with? Yes, she's leaving with reading, answer तो मिला. Generic solutions दिए हैं, standard, think positive and everything. Don't worry, surrender करो and everything. सब generic मैंने बोला है. Fine. She got the answer to the question, but she's leaving with many unanswered questions. Do you agree? Many unanswered questions. Yes. And what could be there? What could these questions be? Yeah. What next? Exactly. What next? मुझे रीडिंग करके समझ में आ रहा है, मैंने सब बता दिया पास्ट में। मान के चलो उसने नहीं मान के चलो she hasn't shared that information how many miscarriages did she go through, but using cards I'm able to tell she has gone through say 5 miscarriages. Everything. So she's impressed, past, present, future. But what next? Exactly. Now I'm really happy that you all are now understanding. All right. So now this is a real life case study. So I will share with you what exactly I shared with her. Okay. So first of all, I understood that she is in a victim zone. I understood that she has a very low self confidence. से होता है ना कि you want something desperately, you're not able to get it, you tend to doubt yourself. Am I really worthy of it or not? Do you all agree? Yes, no? So that's a pulse. So that's exactly, you should be able to listen to your client carefully. You should be able to, read between the lines. Are you all agree? Do you all agree with me? So definitely low self-confidence and definitely, self-doubt or, questioning about do I really deserve it or not? Correct. So then yes or no? Come on, quickly. Are you all there? I want this to be a very, very interactive session. All right. So next, I told her that first of all, just because I had this perspective about spiritual laws, okay? For example, say pre-birth planning. Have you ever heard about this concept of pre-birth planning? Yes, no? All right, ठीक है, fine. So even before we are born, just hear me out clearly, and then you'll be able to understand why having in-depth knowledge about these sciences will help you a lot. Okay, because why are we here? We are here to add value in our client's life. Yes, ऐसे सिर्फ आंसर देके नहीं छोड़ना है, राइट? फाइन, या जस्ट स्टेटस देख के आप इंडिफरेंट नहीं रह सकते हो। जैसे आप कैब में देख रहे हो कि क्या ओला कैब बुक किया है, दैट पर्सन इज स्टक इन द ट्रैफिक जैम, यू आर प्रैक्टिकली नॉट एबल टू हेल्प हिम टू गेट ऑफ द ट्रैफिक. Okay, so I just explained her this concept of pre-birth planning. Okay, so even before we are born, okay, you, me, everyone, koi bhi, we it is our choice to be born. Even before we are born, we choose our parents. Okay, it is an option. Okay, if you check on Reiki Rays, I have written my own experience of pre-birth planning, and that article has been published on a Reiki Rays platform, which the link I can share on the WhatsApp group after the webinar. So each and every person goes through this pre-birth planning process where you are being given an option, you are being given options. So I was shown minimum 5 couples. Okay, and I was explained pros and cons of choosing them as parents. We all go through it. Some people consciously remember, some people remember, some people they just don't remember. Okay, fine. I also remember very, yes, some scenes I remember vividly, but some aspect of that pre-birth planning, I do not have that detailed conscious awareness. All right, but yes, that this is exactly what we go through. So now, uh, for example, so I told her that, so what happens when we sleep in a slumber, our souls travel. Okay, so जो unborn baby का soul है, which is there already in the spirit world, interacts with soul of future mother. That nothing happens in this universe without your permission. We don't remember this, but at soul level we always give permission. So the unborn baby soul asks mother's soul, is it okay if I come to you, as a child? Okay, will you so it's like a contract. How do we enter into contract? Like a business contract or any contract, like, okay, it's a contract that we will work together, say for 5 years. It's a contract, right? Vendor ke sath contract karte. Similarly, it's a contract, but it's an emotional contract. Okay, so unborn baby's soul takes the permission of mother's soul, future mother's soul, and then the conception happens. All right. So what are the जैसे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में बहुत सारे क्लॉज होते हैं, similarly the unborn baby soul exactly states its requirement clearly. For example, I would like to have a very short stint on planet Earth. Would you like to host me? Are you all with me? Yes, are you all understanding what I'm saying? Yes, no, quickly, quickly. Yes, no, quickly. Come on. Fine, fine. Okay. So, okay. So keep typing messages so I will understand that you are listening to me carefully. Okay. So that's exactly, so this everybody goes through it. You had gone through it, your mama had gone through it. Each and every person who takes birth on planet Earth has gone through this process of pre-birth planning. Okay. So it's always about, choice. Okay, for example, I'm giving an offer. For example, I am unborn baby soul. I'm giving you this offer. Can I come to you only for 2 months? My reasons could be anything. वो ज़्यादा मैं डिटेल में नहीं जा रही. Reasons could be anything, but this is exactly what I want. I just want to come to you only for 3 months. I want to come to you only for say 9 months. I want to come to you only for a week or a day. This is my condition. You as a soul always have an option to accept it or reject it. Okay, so I gave her this perspective, and nothing can happen without your consent. At soul level, this contract was signed, and that is the reason, everything went as per the plan. Fine. So जब भी हम लोग ये एक्सप्लेन करते हैं स्पिरिचुअल पर्सपेक्टिव, तो थोड़ा जो सेल्फ के ऊपर ब्लेम होता है ना कि अच्छा मुझसे कुछ गलती हुई क्या, लाइक ऑब्वियसली फैमिली मेंबर्स आर आल्सो देयर टू ब्लेम यू डिडंट टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ वेल और इसलिए मिसकैरेजेस हुआ, एंड देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल अराउंड टू ब्लेम यू, राइट? व्हेन यू आपसे कोई गलती होती है या समथिंग जस्ट डोंट गो एज द वे यू हैव प्लान. आर यू ऑल डू यू ऑल अग्री विथ मी? Yes or no? So I shared this spiritual pre-birth planning ka perspective to her because I really wanted her to come out of the guilt. I really wanted to take the ownership. Obviously, practically नहीं याद रहेगा. Okay? पर लेकिन ये पर्सपेक्टिव शिफ्ट होना बहुत जरूरी है. जब तक पर्सपेक्टिव शिफ्ट नहीं होता है, that person will still be engulfed in the guilt कि हाँ शायद मुझसे ही कोई गलती हुई है, शायद I don't deserve it. So I told her that you're a strong mother who literally I am signing the contract and I have offers, right? मेरे हाथ में ऑफर है, मेरे टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन है, right? Because why do we put terms and condition? Because it is beneficial for us. You all agree? So that mother, thought about that child souls का जो भी कुछ plan है and volunteered for these kind of an experiences. So it is not about उसका mistake है या कुछ गलती हुआ है या she doesn't deserve. So the shift in perspective literally calms her energy by 60 to 70%. Are you all with me? Yes or no? Quickly. Yes, no. Yes, Prerna, thank you so much. Right? Fine. Uh, thank you, Shalu. Thank you, Shalu. Thank you, Prerna. Pakhi. All right. Naina, are you there? All right. ठीक है. So you understand? So now shifting this perspective, तो definitely current level का जो anxiety है वो कम हुआ उनका, right? So now have you heard about law of attraction? It's a very common term nowadays, manifestation, law of attraction. Yes, okay. But that is actually, again, whatever material which is there floating on internet, yes, I was expecting so many yeses, yes. But just again, a very tip of an iceberg. But imagine why this perspective shift is necessary, because I really want to help her to conceive. Exactly. Yes, I manifested few things. Wow, amazing. So imagine now, if the secret, yes, exactly. So the law of attraction says that wherever your attention goes, it grows. Imagine अगर मैंने इनका perspective नहीं shift किया and she is engulfed into guilt, self blame and self doubt, will she manifest what she wants? Yes or no? So many yeses I saw. Exactly. So that is the reason shifting of energy is very important. Can you all paint a very beautiful picture carrying sadness in your heart? Can you all do that? No, right? Exactly. So conceiving is a very beautiful experience, a very creative experience. Okay, it's energy of joy, fun. Okay, but if she is vibrating at a lower emotion, she will not be able to manifest. And करेक्ट, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच प्रेरणा. सो पॉइंट इज दैट जब तक वो पर्सपेक्टिव शिफ्ट नहीं होता तब तक वो मैनिफेस्ट नहीं कर सकती. एंड वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, फ्यूचर इज नॉट फिक्स्ड. गो बैक टू द बेसिक. आपने ओला बुक किया है, नाउ इट इज शोइंग 5 minutes, बट एनीथिंग कैन हैपन. एंड 5 minutes का 15 minutes हो सकता है, राइट? सो fine. So if she really wants to create better future, she has to emit better thoughts. So what is stopping? Yes, it is deep. It is deep. I'm so glad you use this word, Prerna, because many occult science practitioners, mark my words, I'm telling you very confidently, because I've been into this field more than 2 decades now, and no occult science practitioner will give you this perspective. Mark my words. You go to anyone, nobody will give you this perspective. And why having this perspective important? Because it will also impact the quality of the reading that you offer to the client, right? You fine, where was I? Fine. So 70% stress कम हुआ उनका, energy got shifted. So now I asked her to focus more on what she wants. I gave some insights about manifestation tools, and this is how she can manifest it. Okay, fine. So now, then I told her, since we have already done the reading, for example, अगर मान के चलो, so first of all, ऐसे cases में I will not directly jump into the reading. Okay, many occult science practitioners, or whenever even we, when we learn everything for the first time, we are so into predicting the future that we forget the concept of future creation. All right. So now, with this perspective in mind, if after clearing all these doubts, and then if I'm checking her cards, and then I'm telling her it will take another 1 year or 2 year, but still her energies would be totally different, because now by that time I would have given her all the tools how you can manifest it. Although cards are showing it will take 1 year or 2 years, okay, moment you shift your energy, your future changes. You I'm sure you know this concept. Many yeses I saw when I asked this question, do you know about law of attraction, right? Are you all with me here? Are you all with me here? Correct. So now, so this is a scenario 2 where I offered energy science. Okay. I actually another important question I would like to tell you here, that so I have handled the past. Okay. Why it happened? Why so many miscarriages? Okay. I have given her the tools how to create the future. I have also offered reading. Now, one more important point. Okay. What is stopping me from reaching from here to there? What are my current blocks? So I would also, please hear me attentively. So whatever, yeah. So whatever, Abhi, I'm asking you all, whatever you want right now, very intensely, it could be money, relationship, pregnancy, promotion, whatever it is that you want it right now. Just close your eyes for a second and ask, what are the benefits of not having it? It's a very deep question again. So I asked her. I'm totally with you. I personally have gone through such experiences, so definitely I could relate with the client. But I asked her, if I ask you this question, what are the benefits of not having baby? What could they be? So first reaction उसका ऐसा आया कि नहीं, कुछ benefits नहीं, I really want a baby. I said no, but right now, the fact that you're not conceived, or the fact that you don't have baby in your hand right now, okay, what are the benefits of these situations? So I want you to just take a couple of seconds and think whatever that you're desiring in life right now, if you're struggling to get it, so what are the benefits of not having that in your life? So जो भी answer आते हैं, those answers will indicate to energy blocks. Okay, so in infertility cases, and in her case as well. Exactly, Prerna, I'm loving your answers. Absolutely. So when I kept asking her, what are the benefits of not having child? What are the benefits of not having child? So many answers came. She said, so at least, I can just travel a lot because I love travel, and the pregnancy and the having child would restrict my freedom. Yeah, then I can sleep for 8 hours. Reasons could be anything. उसके reasons अलग थे, आपके reasons अलग थे. Exactly, whatever reasons are, those reasons indicate. Thank you so much, Paki. So those reasons indicate energy blocks. Okay, and it is and don't you think so it's our responsibility if client is coming to us? Not client is not coming to us just to gain a sympathy. Please keep in mind, client can get the sympathy from other sources. Our role is to sincerely guide client. Okay, so unless until you have in-depth knowledge about how to identify mind blocks, what is the energy science to manifest, what are the spiritual laws, if you don't know these three aspects very well, you are not adding value. Are you all with me? Yeah. So in this second case, what are you leaving your client with? Okay, I'm leaving my client with reading. Yes, reading to diya hai. All the questions answered. I'm sure my clients will feel lighter at heart. Okay, some inspiration. Yes, I can create it. Perspective shift, clarity. नहीं तो क्यों हो रहा है सब हम लोग के दिमाग में इतना चलता रहता है that we are not able to be 100% present in the present moment, right? Fine, fine. So now again, very simple question. So where did client get more value from? Option 1 or option 2? Or which consultant would you like to visit? Option 1 or option 2? Correct, exactly. Now the next question. If at all you decide to read any occult science modality or tarot card reading, what kind of occult science practitioners would you like to be? 1 or 2? Exactly, exactly. Thank you so much for answering so quickly. What is the role of any occult sciences in our life before we now we'll get into tarot cards? But yes, what is the role of any occult sciences? The role is to guide clients towards their unique right path. You know, even though you and I are having very same problem, but the right solution could be, you know, totally different for you and totally different for me. So role of occult sciences is to guide client towards the right path, is to remind them about their strengths, it's to help them make better decisions. Okay, and each and every modality plays very different role. Okay, and combining different occult sciences will definitely give you deeper and different insights. You must have you ever come across an ad ki numerology is the best, tarot is the best, yeah, astrology is the, you know, best of all occults? Have you ever come across such kind of ads? Yes. Oh, exactly. I really, matlab, even though this webinar is about tarot card reading, I'm going to start teaching tarot now, but I will never ever say that tarot is the best occult sciences. Okay, we should focus on becoming best occult science practitioner. Okay, I haven't learned palmistry, but I'm sure if I learn, I will definitely get a deeper insight, different insight. Okay, I'm practicing many other modalities, but I haven't learned palmistry yet. I will definitely learn, but I will never say कि palmistry is the best or palmistry is the worst and tarot is the best. ऐसे comparison है ही नहीं. Are you all with me? Yes or no? If you have this perspective in your mind, then yes, our vibrations are matching. I'm not here to prove कि you know सिर्फ palmistry best है या सिर्फ tarot best है. I'm here sincerely to tell you what is the role of occult sciences and combining numerology or tarot card or using tarot cards, how you can guide your clients best. Okay, and my point is, if even if you run any occult science modality, please ensure that you have in-depth knowledge about occult sciences, right? I'm excited that if your generic questions are so deep, then how deep knowledge we will be getting. Exactly. So, it's a very good comment, and thank you so much, Neha. But just one perspective I would like to hear. Each and every card is very deep. Okay. But the point is, in order to tap that meaning, you should have first deeper insights about how life works and how universe works. Then only you will be able to decode those 78 cards in that perspective. Now you understand? Correct? Fine. If you don't have that perspective, तो ऊपर ऊपर का आप रीडिंग करोगे और जो ऊपर ऊपर का इन्फॉर्मेशन वो आपको गूगल पे भी मिलेगा. Just Google it. Ace of Swords meaning बहुत आएगा. But that's not the deeper thing. Correct? Thank you so much. Thank you so much.